Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
I should be out here planting, but the weather report said it was going to rain all day. So I stayed inside and recorded this new song for you. In the tradition of Minnesota singer-songwriters, I based this tune on an old folk ballad. It's called Planting Time is Near. Hope you enjoy it.
I live in Minneapolis, a Mississippi River town. Near the Lake of Harriet, that's where my home is found. Up here in the Northland, planting time is near. I'm hoping that I will survive till harvest time is here. Through the cold and snowy winter, my garden grew indoors. Hot pepper plants were sprouting on almost every floor. A nursery in the basement, one in the nest of crow. Growing in my office, the lights a cheery glow. Got a lot of pepper plants, gotta get them in the ground. Some will go in pots, which I'll scatter all around. Up here in the Northland, planting time is near. I'm hoping that I will survive till harvest time is here. I live in Minneapolis, a Mississippi River town. Near the Lake of Harriet, that's where my home is found. Up here in the Northland, planting time is near. I'm hoping that I will survive till harvest time is here.
This song is dedicated to Frank Wakefield, my musical mentor and the greatest mandolin player who ever plucked a string. I just wish I could play half as bad as he does. Love you, Frank. The first outdoor planting episode will premiere in about a week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to receive a notification each time we post a new episode. Please help us reach 10,000 subscribers by June 19th, my 65th birthday. If we make it, I promise a live birthday bacchanal blowout right here on YouTube. Only a little more than 500 left to go. Check out all our 7 Pot Club and hot pepper themed merch at 7pot.club/merch. And for even more 7 Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob. Stay safe, everyone.